Note: formatting a card will erase any files that are on it. Copy any necessary files from the card to a PC before proceeding. With PC Card Manager software and an Omni drive installed on your PC, insert a new PCMCIA card into the Omni drive. Make sure the right protection switch on the card is in the off position. Start PC Card Manager. From the menu bar, select Actions, then Format Card. When the Format PC Card window opens, make sure the pseudo disk box is checked and click on the Format button. Click OK when the PCM window confirms that the formatting was complete.